not, there was a conflict between themselves, and then is to guard. This is the Hideyoshi not to do it. But then since he committed suicide, so then,
and the oldest, the third grandson went a little bit down the road called Luciano. Put it on your hand. It's a little hot. We don't share the same matcha. We use another tea bowl. おかえり茶碗で失礼。Take turns. We have 6 tables in the front. Thank you very much. Oh. You will take the tea scoop. And if you're done with the 2 scoops, and then now we'll have hot water. Be afraid to really go for it and go up and down. Take the caddy from your left. Also, another thing is, because we're making the bubble pump, and put it right below on the. Like that. And put it right below, but straight like that. Straight.